Okay, so now let us go ahead and take an example on batch costing. Now here they given data regarding two products that go through two processes, and these bricks are produced in batches. Is a very old CA inter examination question. So let's go through this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A company is manufacturing building bricks and fire bricks. Both the products require two processes, brick forming and heat treatment.
Okay.
Now, time requirement for the two bricks are process forming per 100 brick, building bricks 3 hours, fire bricks 2 hours, and for heat treatment per 100 bricks, building bricks 2 hours and fire bricks 5 hours.
Okay.
Total cost of the two department in 1 month were forming 21,200 and heat treatment 48,800. Production during the month was building bricks 1,30,000 numbers and fire bricks 70,000 numbers. Prepare a statement of manufacturing cost for the two varieties of bricks.
The question is calculate the manufacturing cost of the two products. The products are building bricks
And fire
fire bricks. And these products have to go through two departments before they are complete and ready for sale. The departments or divisions, or you can say the processes are, it is a brick forming and a heat treatment. These are the two departments. Now let us go ahead and take on the solution.
Yes.
Now your job will be to allocate the rupees 21,200 cost incurred in division 1, which is brick forming, between the two products manufactured, that is what? Building bricks and fire bricks. How do you allocate? The only data available is hours needed for producing these products, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can apportion rupees 21,200 and rupees 48,800 between the two products based on the hours spent on these products. Now what students did in the examination way back in 1980s when this examination question appeared, the then CAs, now they'll be in their 60s, right?
Yes.
So those people, what they did, they just simply took the ratio of the hours given, 3 hours and 2 hours. Remember, that is a time needed for brick forming for the two products.
Yes.
It is 3 hours for building bricks and 2 hours for fire bricks.
Fire bricks.
And then what about second department? It is 2 hours and 5 hours. That is you can say Himalayan blunder. Don't make that mistake. You have to consider the number of units produced. Got it?
Yes.
Now just see the solution out there. Let us take up process 1, that is a brick forming. So we are going to produce 1,30,000 units of building bricks. That needs 3 hours to manufacture for every 100 bricks. It's given for 100 bricks,
Yes.
3 hours.
Yes.
So what you should do, 1,30,000 numbers into 3 by 100. Will give you 3,900 hours will be used on building bricks. What about fire bricks? Take 70,000 numbers into 2 divided by 100.
1,400 hours.
In all, 5,300 hours would have been spent in manufacturing the two products in division 1 or department 1 or process 1, which is what? Brick forming. And what is the cost incurred? 21,200. Now I can find the cost incurred per hour. So divide rupees 21,200 manufacturing cost by 5,300 hours will work out how much? Rupees 4 per hour. That is a manufacturing cost per hour. Got it?
Yes.
Now let's go to the second process. That is a heat treatment. Again take 1,30,000 numbers into 2 divided by 100. Works out to 2,600 hours. And 70,000 bricks into 5 by 100 is 3,500 hours. Adding both, you get?
6,100 hours.
Exactly. That is the total hours. And what is the cost incurred? 48,800.
800.
Now divide 48,800 rupees by
6,000.
6,100 hours. That means cost is rupees 8 for every hour spent on the products, right? Rupees 8 per hour. Now you got to make a table showing the manufacturing cost of product 1, which is what? Building bricks. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just see the table. In that is done a very complex table. Okay? Just see the columns. The column heads are process involved, the departments. Second column, the time needed for manufacturing 100 bricks. And then the rate, the cost per hour. And then we get the cost for 100 bricks. And the cost for 1,30,000 bricks. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Now just see, under process, what is that? Brick forming. We know we need 3 hours to produce 100 bricks, right? The building bricks.
Yeah.
In process 1, 3 hours. And then second column, we know the rate per hour is how much?
4 rupees.
Rupees 4, what we got. What is 3 into 4?
12.
Rupees 12 is a cost of producing how many bricks? 100 bricks. So 1,30,000 bricks into rupees 12 divided by 100 will give the cost of 1,30,000 bricks.
15,600 rupees.
Now there is another way to find this number. Remember, we know it is 3,900 hours spent on building bricks, right?
Yes.
In process 1. That into rupees 4 per hour. So what is 3,900 hours into 4 rupees? Is also 15,600. That is all. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Now just say process 2 for building bricks. We need I think 2 hours. It is 2 hours for 100 bricks and the rate is rupees 8 per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is 2 into 8?
16.
It is rupees 16 for 100 bricks. That into 1,30,000 by 100, right?
20,800.
Which is 20,800.
800.
Or what you can do, you could have taken the 2,600 hours spent on building bricks in process 2, which we have from the earlier working.
Yes, sir.
Take 2,600 hours into rupees 8 per hour will give you straight away rupees 20800, 20,800. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then make a total. You get the total manufacturing cost of the building bricks. How much?
It is 36,400.
That's it. That's it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Fire bricks.
Another table for fire bricks. Very similar table, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, copy the table. That is the numbers. I think for process 1, we need 2 hours, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
Rate is 4 rupees per hour. Into that is 4 rupees and that into 2 gives you what? Rupees 8 for 100 bricks. Into 70,000, right? It is 70,000 bricks into 8 by 100.
100.
Works out to?
5,600.
Or what are you going to shortcut? Take 1,400 hours what you have for department 1 on fire bricks. That into rupees 4 per hour will give you 5,600 directly.
8, no, sir.
No, rupees 8 per hour.
8.
I'm really sorry, okay. 8,
Yes, sir.
No, process 1, right? Process 1. Process 1 is 1,400 hours into 4 rupees per hour is 5,600.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is that fine?
4.
4 rupees per hour. And for process 2, what I can do, either take 5 hours, that into rupees 8 per hour, 40, right? And then 70,000 bricks into 40 by 100. How much you get?
28,000.
Very good. Or what you can do, you can take 3,500 hours into rupees 8 per hour directly.
Yes.
Understood? And what is the total cost?
33,600.
That is all. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And that is the manufacturing cost of fire bricks. And this can come in the examination for, I don't know, it can be an MCQ, it can be a descriptive question. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Learn this really well for your examination. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir.